Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This is Braden Ingle here from Flamingo Beach Realty. Today is my exciting pleasure to show you a brand new, beautiful listing of mine via Rancho Cartagena. This spectacular finca-style home is perched in a gated community here in Rancho Cartagena, focused on the nature. We have monkeys, parrots, beautiful fruit trees all throughout. If you're looking for that authentic Guanacaste Blue Zone lifestyle, this is definitely the place for you. Come check it out with me. Check out this beautiful home. This place literally feels like walking into an art gallery. Built in 2003, every single finite detail was taken into consideration in the construction here. We have Nicaraguan stone cantera extended all throughout the exterior patios, local Guanacaste and Pochote wood throughout. This place has everything you need to enjoy your beautiful lifestyle here in Guanacaste. Via Rancho Cartagena features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with plenty of space for family and friends, or Airbnb as well if you decide to put it on the rental market. This home also features a chef-style kitchen offering a massive propane gas stove, handmade Guanacaste table, tons of cooking space to enjoy the views over the countryside here in Guanacaste. Via Rancho Cartagena is perched on a beautiful 2-acre property here on the Hilltop, offering stunning, spectacular views over the Guanacaste, hilltops and mountains. Drinking your coffee here in the morning, happy hour for sunset. Only imagine the beautiful moments you'll create with your family here in paradise. This open concept living space is definitely one of the centerpieces of this beautiful property, offering a brick pizza oven, Argentinian style grill, full-size pool, amazing place to entertain your guests and enjoy the weather here in paradise. The gated community of Rancho Cartagena is located only 15 minutes away from some of the most pristine beaches we have here in Costa Rica, a short drive from some of the international schools. If you're looking for that mixed lifestyle of privacy, but also being close to all the amenities here, this is definitely the place for you. If you have any questions or thoughts about this listing or any other properties in Costa Rica, please give me a call on WhatsApp. Thank you so much and enjoy this view.